and welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm super excited to share another summer wig with you guys, and this wig is slightly different from the rest, but it is a bob, and you know, bobs work great in the summertime because who wants all that hot hair hanging down on their neck when it's all hot outside and you're getting sweaty? Like, you just want something that's kind of easy, low maintenance, cute, and you know, fun. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. Oh, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Let's hop into the video. So this wig is Imani, and I think the company name is pronounced Mayde, and it's their invisible lace part with, it's like a bob with some beach waves in it, and it's super cute, and it has 5 inches of parting space in here. So that part goes back 5 inches, and you'll be able to tell. I'll insert some photos once I get it on, but it has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and the elastable adjustable straps. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my makeup, my foundation, and I'm going to dab a little on the brush, and on the underside of the wig where the lace is, I'm going to just pat some of that foundation in to cover up all that lace parting space. And I didn't do it in this video, but sometimes I will follow up the foundation with some powder just to kind of set everything in there, but it is an optional step. And here's what it looks like once I am done with that step. So let's get Miss Imani on and see what we're working with here. So for me, sometimes wigs, especially around the parting area, look like they're puffing up. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll just take my spray bottle of water and just spray right along that parting area, and then either comb it down or brush it down just to flatten it out just a bit. So in terms of size and fit, this wig fits nicely. I would say if you have a medium to larger size head, this would fit really nice. I did have to adjust the adjustable straps on it because it was kind of big on me, but yeah, I'm loving it. So from the stock card I couldn't tell, but in person this wig actually has a little bit of baby hairs right by the parting space, so I'm just trying to pull those out and go ahead and gel those down. As you can see, the parting space is pretty wide, so I didn't have to go back in and tweeze out some of the hair. I like the size of it and the width of it, so I was totally fine with that. So I love a wig that you can just pull out the box, do a couple of things to, and it's all ready to go and you can wear it. So from that perspective, I am loving Imani, and the waves are super cute as well, and I love me a good bob. So here's the finished look. guys think about Miss Imani? She is cute with a little, you know, beach wave to her. And I just love her because it really did not take much to style her right out of the box. Yeah, I mean, the hair is super soft. I can run my fingers through it without it getting tangled, and it seems like it won't have any issues with tangling for the most part. And then what else I wanted to say is I didn't experience any shedding on this unit, so that's a plus as well. But I just love getting wigs that you can kind of take right out of the box, do a couple things to it, and she's ready to go. So I'm loving Miss Imani. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, you already know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the awesomeness I have happening at Cotton Creations. And thanks for watching.